Discover chayote. Hi everyone, you're welcome. In today's video, I introduce to you chayote. This is a pear-shaped edible fruit from the gourd family, like cucumber and squash. This fruit is native to Mexico and Central America. However, it equally grows in some parts of Africa, with Cameroon being one of them. The relationship between chayote leaves and cucumber leaves are quite similar. Like other climbing vines, chayote bears its fruits above ground level. Each fruit holds a single flat seed. Sometimes the fruit is grooved and prickly. When fresh, it is green in color and crunchy. When bad, it is pale yellow and soft. The taste can be likened to cucumber and pear. When I speak of pear, I do not speak of avocado pear. I speak of the sweet pear. There are two major varieties of the chayote plant, the wild type and the commercial variety. Chayote is known by different names, and some of these names include vegetable pear, Christophane, chocho, chow chow, choo pear squash, chayote. In this video, we are equally going to examine some of the benefits of chayote and equally look at the possible way to plant it, preserve it. Quick disclaimer, I am not a doctor. Please consult your doctor before proceeding to consume this fruit. Botanically, it is a fruit, but due to the way that it is consumed, most people think of it as a vegetable. Study shows that chayote is rich in fiber. It contains vitamins and minerals with vitamin B, C, and K. It is low in calories and has a high moisture percentage. Because of its moisture percentage, it can spoil easily if not stored properly. This fruit is also called milletine. When it comes to planting this fruit, either the seeds are used or the entire fruit. As advised by the vendor, I got home and decided to start growing this, but first I had to nurture. He stated I could nurture using cups or just a plastic bag, an airtight plastic bag. When it starts to sprout, then I transfer to the soil. So he said, as simple as that. When this fruit starts to spoil, most times you get to find blemishes on it and they tend to change color quickly. Speaking on how to store this fruit, it can be stored in the fridge as a whole, just like this, provided there are no blemishes on the fruit whatsoever. If there are blemishes on the fruit, it tends to hamper the longevity of the fruit. It is either eaten fresh or cooked. It is peeled because there are little sharp thorns on it. So most times it is peeled before consumption. It can be consumed in several ways. Most often I add it to my vegetable salads as one of the vegetables on the tray, or blend with a variety of other fruits such as beetroot, mango, pineapple, coconut, even apples. Do you know that this fruit is mildly sweet? Just a little. After peeling your fruits, you're going to cut into smaller chunks, which is okay for you. However, if you have plans of using the seeds, maybe to plant them and all of that, then avoid wounding the seeds. To preserve for long-term use, you're going to put in Ziploc bags and freeze for when you want to blend, make juice, smoothies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next.